Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the tick chart weighted indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. As you can see, this indicator displays tick data for us on the chart, and with every tick that occurs, you can see that this chart updates. Ask prices, which represent the lowest price a seller is willing to accept, are shown in blue, while bid prices, indicating the highest price a buyer is willing to pay, are displayed in red. The weighted price, which is calculated by adding the high price, the low price, and 2 times the closing price, then dividing the total by
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
4 is shown here in gray for easy reference. We can access this comprehensive data and utilize it as a valuable resource to inform and enhance our trading decisions. In the settings of this indicator, we can also specify the number of candles for which this tick data is displayed. Of course, this tick data is not related to the candles and is updated with the ticks. The number we enter here simply determines how much tick data is stored in memory, which refers to the detailed records of every price change. This setting is important because it affects how much historical data is available for analysis and how much memory the system will use. For example, its default value is 2000. We have the last 2000 ticks stored in memory and can display them on the chart. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.